Welcome to the second episode of Coffee with Khare, and for the second episode, we have two extremely explosive second years. So without further ado, let me introduce my first guest to you. He's the jack of all trades aspiring to be the ace of spades. Think cricket, football, quiz, dramatics, and this Delhi boy will enter your mind. So without further ado, let me introduce Eternally Scrooge. So welcome KP. How does it feel like to be on Coffee with Khare?
Extremely nice experience. First of all, it was really unexpected to come on this show and talk with you on such a screen. Like, it's never happened before in Kharagpur. So it's a nice experience and first-hand experience as well.
Yes.
So I hope it carries on.
I hope you have a good, amazing time at the end of the show too. Okay, so my first question to you, KP, is that I've heard from a lot of people that you're extremely diplomatic. So, are you diplomatic?
Now, that's the weirdest question I could have ever thought of to start on. Like, are you fine? Yeah, in some situations I am. In some, I rather submerge to being tactless, but not always.
Not always. Okay, that is Kartikeya Pradhan clearing the air on whether he's diplomatic or not. And on that note, I think it's time to introduce our second guest. सरसों दा साग ते मक्के की रोटी, TDS की शान ये पंजाबी मेहमान, दिमाग पे मत डालिए जोर, फरमाइए गौर, क्योंकि up next is परमीत कौर. Parmeet, and how do you feel like coming on Coffee with Khare? I mean, what are you expecting from the show?
I guess it's pretty apparent I'm really nervous. Like when I came to know I'm coming on this show, and I was like, no, I can't do this. But then I thought, like, my friends told me it'll be fine, go. So I hope it's fine.
So you're nervous. Okay, so Parmeet is nervous. Let's hope at the end of it you enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so both of you know each other?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We are department mates.
Oh, you say which department?
Chemistry.
Chemistry department, and ETDS also.
Yeah, we have spent the first semester together.
First semester together. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. And I've heard this little interesting story about your department introduction. So what happened in your department introduction?
Okay, I remember that.
Okay, so can you please tell the audience?
Kartikeya Pradhan comes to the department intro in a shorts.
In shorts?
Yeah.
Nice one, KP.
No.
And he was the only.
I don't remember.
And you know, he goes.
No, actually, to intercept, I was in 3/4, not shorts.
You were in 3/4. Okay, fine.
Okay,
You was in
whatever. You were not in a jeans. That's what I'm saying. So what is it supposed to be? And then he goes and tells, okay, I want to go to NASA. He asks the HOD. He asks HOD right there. Sir, what is the scope of chemistry in space science? We were like,
space science?
oh my god, this guy is some guy. He's gonna be some geek in our department. But then
some geek in our department. NASA. So any connection? Did you find any connection? NASA, chemistry, anything?
Yeah. One of the professors, they introduced me to an upcoming topic called astrochemistry.
Okay.
So I'm still working on it. Let's see what turns out.
are you really working on it?
Somewhat.
Okay.
I think Parmeet should be the host of this show. Okay. Anyway, moving on. So he was supposed to be the geek. That's the first impression you got. Then what happened with all these night walks? Some stories I've been hearing about both of you.
You have heard the weirdest stories.
No,
literally.
I've heard that.
What do you mean both of us? Like both of us together?
No, I've heard this very weird story, or I don't know if it's weird or not, but I've heard this from a very credible source that apparently you used to invite KP for night walks, and KP used to say, "Nahi, main nahi aunga."
Oh my
Wow.
god! I don't know
Wow.
this at all.
Can you share some funny incidents about when you were together in ETDS? Anything about each other?
Not exactly, because to start with, our freshers was totally a single person oriented game.
Okay.
Absolutely, and I was unfortunately that single person.
Oh, acha.
So I was always there practicing my dialogues, and all the people, they were like crunchy come on me, and they were like, do this, thousands of suggestions, bend and do this, say this dialogue like this, speak in hoarse voice, and all that. And all the rest of the 22 people, we had 23 in our batch, and all the rest of the people, they used to sit and chat, and they just chatted.
While you had to practice all of that.
Absolutely. I was.
Is this true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to
is.
hate him.
You used to hate him, and what was the reason?
He used to speak a lot. He used to he can irritate the hell out of you. If he's around, he'll irritate you.
Okay.
And ETDS, I don't remember spending much time there because I was in TDS also, and I was more oriented towards dancing. So, and my part in the freshers was also, very less. So I was not much in the TDS. So.
Okay, so that was KP, and now Parmeet, moving towards you. What happened on your first year birthday party? I've heard something that you went missing as such.
Okay. I don't remember that.
No, I remember that.
Missing?
No, I remember that.
What happened?
No, not in hall exactly. We were in ETDS only.
Okay.
So we knew she had her birthday, and we all were waiting for it. Like, we'll give her a blast and surprise kind of stuff. And suddenly she goes missing. We went the other side of Vikramshila, and we find that all TDS people were there, and she wasn't there. So we all were searching her for in the Vikramshila complex, and all over we calling her. She wasn't picking up her phone.
This is all a lie.
No. I'm telling you. And then what happens? We find this girl sitting on the stairs, those iron like the steel stairs we have in Vikramshila down, and lost somewhere in her thoughts.
Okay, I don't remember any of this. I was in Vikramshila. Okay,
Usually
18th
such
August.
things.
I'll clarify. Okay. 18th August was TDS production. And 15th is my birthday.
Okay.
So the practice was full on at that time. So I was practicing there, and people had brought cake for me and a surprise. So I was celebrating with them. That's why I was not in the hall. That's why people told you I was missing. It's not like that. I was there, and
you were celebrating your birthday with TDS, and that's why you weren't missing in the hall. And this ETDS thing is just
after that, okay, maybe they might,
be telling the truth.
So the problem is that too many people want to celebrate Parmeet's
Exactly.
Absolutely.
And she doesn't have
all
so
of them were searching for Parmeet, and she was like,
ETDS and hall.
Yeah.
How can I be present at three places at the same time?
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's why two of them have to say I was missing.
And in second year, where did you celebrate your birthday? Yeah, so second year I heard you second year when tum log ki OP chal rahi thi. So I heard you were the hall crush of some particular hall.
Yo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know that.
You don't know? Okay, fine.
I'd like
I have
to know.
heard that you were the hall crush of a particular hall. So, okay, since you didn't know that, how do you feel getting that information? कि a whole hall, एक पूरा hall तुम्हारे पीछे पागल था. पूरे second year
It's not shocking now. It's okay.
Not shocking.
I'm used to it.
You're used to it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
It has happened a lot in KGP.
It's happened a lot in KGP.
And it happens with most of the girls.
Most of the girls.
Yeah, so it's okay.
Okay, on that note, I think we'll take a break in Coffee with Khare. When we come back, more on what has happened with Parmeet Kaur and all these second years chasing her.
Billu's Restaurant, the only place for delicious food in KGP. Flavor, the battle of dishes. Restaurant, catering and hookah bar. Goyal Infotech. Buy any laptop from us. We guarantee lowest prices with best after sale service.
Okay, so welcome back to Coffee with Khare. Just before the break, we had this revelation that Parmeet is now used to all the attention she gets from all the second years. So, एक दो कहानियाँ बता दो यार.
Okay, I don't want to reveal any.
Okay. If there's some funny thing that you can reveal, if you have some issues revealing.
No, I have to, name the people, and they might
we
not like
can
it.
go it. We can keep it unnamed.
Okay, fine. Okay. During Kshitij last year, there was this person. Yeah, I happened to spend some, time with him.
Okay.
Because of something.
Okay.
Some work, and then.
Okay.
By the time Kshitij ends, the last day, this person calls me like, can I see you? I was like, okay, I'm going to the hall. I'll be there, so come and meet me there. This person comes, he's like, I want to tell you something. Like, yeah. Okay, he goes, I don't know how to start. I was like, okay. I understood.
Then you got to know what's coming.
Yeah, I knew what's coming. So I was like, okay, if you're going to say any of that, please don't say that. I can't help you. I'm really sorry.
You said, I'm really sorry. Okay.
And then the person goes to his bag, picks out a rose, gives it to me.
Bag में rose लाया था तेरे लिए.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. Then.
I took the rose obviously, and I was like, okay, bye bye.
But I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
The person was really hurt, but then what could I do? So.
Correct. KP, have you indulged in any such practices?
No. Sorry.
None at all?
No.
I've heard a few names doing
No,
rounds.
sorry, they are only doing rounds.
It's all
Nothing
rumors.
converges.
He's very
rumors.
Nothing converges. everything is doing rounds.
All
that.
rumors, just
Absolutely.
all rumors.
Yeah.
These names keep coming up from ETDS and from other places.
No, not
You
at all.
heard the names too? Yeah, obviously
yeah.
everyone's heard the names.
No, not at all.
And completely
Till now,
agree.
no.
Completely.
And
You know,
I'd rather
to know about him, you go to his Facebook wall. You'll know everything.
Go to his
So,
Facebook.
yeah,
wall and-
yeah.
Okay, we've heard complaints from your other NSECs that you don't attend the subcoms.
No, it's like I attend the subcoms, but I threaten to like I won't sign on the.
Oh, you stand up for your hall basically.
Absolutely, if something or the other crops up and my hall asks me, the seniors or the captains or the GSEC asks me to like, you won't recluse to this. Okay, fine, I won't sign.
So they find you a formidable opponent. That's the problem.
Absolutely. Sometimes I've heard these things like coming up from the God-forsaken pan loop. Like, okay, fine, RP.
God-forsaken pan loop. I like that.
Yeah. So like, RP is coming up, dude. They didn't show their face last year, but now RP is like, oh, the rising dragon. Like, okay, fine, take that.
Take that. Nice. So RP should be proud to have you as their NSEC because you're standing up.
Even I am also proud of being an RP.
Okay, good. So now that you've cleared the air on that thing, let's move on to your CGPAs. What's your CGPA?
7.64.
7.6.
No. Why?
Why? I've heard that your CGPA varies a lot more than other people. I've heard that like हम लोग की CG usually sem में एक बार होती है, but lots of people have been telling me that your CGPA varies with the week or something like that.
Okay, so fluctuates like between 2 grade points or what, or in points only?
That I'm not sure. That I haven't been specified, but yes.
No, if it varies like from 7 to 9, I'm fine with it.
Okay.
And
I like
but
that.
if it varies in like 0 point something, so fine.
Doesn't really make a difference.
Yeah, actually my CG is 7.86.
7.86. Okay, awesome.
So now
Okay.
everybody make a note. 7.86.
86. Done.
7.86. Okay. On record, we have Karthikeya Pradhan admitting to his CGPA as 7.86 and not 6, not 9, not 8, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now let's move on to little insti level politics. I've heard that Parneet here was the wing president or the Vappa.
Oh
What
Oh
exactly?
my god!
What
Who
exactly
told
is a
you?
Vappa?
Who told you this?
I can't reveal my sources.
I'm gonna kill my
Of
wing
course,
people.
one of the wingmates.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Yeah, obviously. That's why I said I'm gonna kill each one of them.
So what exactly is a Vappa? Because this
Okay.
concept doesn't exist in my heart.
Okay. MBM, like in our hall, all the first years stay in MBM block.
Okay.
And this B top wing, it had all the rocking girls, you know.
All the rocking girls, okay. And who are these rocking girls?
Okay.
You can name them.
Yeah, you can name them. It's okay. I don't think they'll have an issue with being named as rocking girls.
Yeah, fine. My wing has girls like me,
Oh, okay.
Samta.
Fine. Okay.
and then we have Rachna,
Okay.
Ishani, we had Ela.
Okay.
So, you know, all the
Rocking
girls
girls
from
from second year were together. Okay.
I'd rather
So,
prefer
and-
stone.
And we,
Okay. That can have very lots of connotations, you know, Karthikeya Pradhan. So, okay.
you meet me after the show.
Yeah, sure. You're coming to class tomorrow.
Before the class only, I'll see
Fine.
you.
So the Vappa, what exactly is a Vappa?
So, you know, we were like, we should have a wing president, we should go for parties, you know, girl parties. All of us, it was really...
Girls' night out, some
Exactly.
Sex in the City thing.
I really hated, you know, each and every girl will go out in the night with their boyfriends and all. I was like, and I was like, okay, we girls should spend some time together. So we
Actually, they
made
had
this,
none, so they like.
Okay.
So we made this council, wing president, then vice president, and then that's it.
The entire committee.
So the
But-
point of the whole thing was to organize parties and
Yeah.
get-togethers and for the wing.
But that didn't happen.
Oh, it didn't
obviously.
work out. Okay.
And in the insti style, you should have a president to complain like this didn't work out.
And then a vice president.
Fine.
to
Yeah, sure.
follow. Okay. Speaking about vice president, Karthikeya Pradhan, I've heard that you want to become the VP of the Gymkhana.
Who said that?
I've
Who?
heard lots of
Your
people-
credible sources.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. Very, very credible sources have told me that.
Fine. See, we had Arnav, the ex-VP,
From your hall.
in in our hall.
Hmm.
So I was rather inspired seeing him, and he was like one big personality.
He was a role